Hey guys, Chris McFarlane here again from Impact Off-Road Group. Today I thought I'd just show you a couple of trucks as they've turned up from Japan. So these ones just arrived this morning. We've got a 2009 Suzuki Carry and we've got a brand spanking new Subaru Samba 2023. So as you can see, they come in covered in stickers, covered in writing, all sorts of stuff. So the first thing we do is we chuck them straight into the workshop and we get them all cleaned up and sorted out, and then the next thing after that on all of our second-hand trucks is they go straight up on the hoist and they get a full service, full check over, so they're all ready to go for sale. The other thing we do when our trucks first arrive from Japan is we set them up with their own unique ID code. So every single one of our trucks comes in, we set them up with a 4-digit number, and that basically goes with the truck wherever it goes. So anytime you need servicing, spare parts, any questions whatsoever, all you have to do is quote us that 4-digit number. We'll be able to look it up in our system and go from there.